Hello. Hi, this is the car lamp recover emulsion I bought from Temu. It's very cheap. They are saying, like you can see the picture difference, effective. And I checked on online also. Some people are saying good, and some people are saying not very good. But let me try how it works. So this thing came with this one and a small sponge. Anyway, I'm using this cloth to rub the paste. You can see my glass from the side. This is this much. uh, I mean, the light is not that clear, and you can see here as well. If you see from one side, you can clearly see how much. See, this is it. So let me try, and I will update. So now I cleaned the one glass, one headlight. So you can see this is not cleaned, and this one is the cleaned one. You can see the difference. So this is effective. I used to, this um, cloth to rub it in a round motion. So it is a hard job, like how to rub it again and again and again. Then you will get, definitely will get a good result. Thank you. So this is after polishing both the glass, both the headlights. You can see how much different this one and the other one. So as I said, the paste is effective. We have to do some hard work to rub it in a circular motion for a few minutes. Yeah, few minutes. Then it will work. Thank you so much.